Chief Officer on the same. Proceed.
Okay. Thank you. Can I proceed, Madam Speaker?
Proceed.
Thank you. Thank you. If and Madam Speaker, I believe the clerk, the assistant to the Senate, has just shown me 10 minutes. That was a minute ago, and the chair is indicating 5 minutes. If we can just play the video clips to end clear. Thank you.
What's your point of order, Senator Sifuna? Make it short.
Madam Speaker, I heard you very clearly, your directions to counsel for the Deputy Governor. You allowed them to proceed, but gave them a caution that the material they present must be material and relevant to the issues before this House. If indeed there is material like the one they are playing there, nothing stops the witness, who is an honorable member of the County Assembly, from bringing a separate impeachment motion against Simba Arati for lying in public. That is not why we are here. So, Madam Speaker, for you to continue to allow irrelevant material to be played is really wasting. It's an abuse of this process, because they are abusing the process to achieve nefarious political ends. And this is something that we cannot allow in this House.
Honorable Madam Speaker, just allow me then, because I notice, just a minute. I notice the objections that are being raised. I'll concede and possibly just ask the witness whether in all these videos...
Senator Sifuna has raised a question based on the ruling I had made a few minutes ago. Counsel, I want you to use your skill and competence to sift your evidence and present what is relevant to the charges, to make it easy for us to come to the end of this process. Please proceed and keep yourself relevant to the topic.
I'm well guided, Madam Speaker. I'll drop our